RIQD is a self-driving yield engine. No admin keys, no governance votes. I'm deploying 7 contracts to a live BNB fork right now. Real PancakeSwap V3, real Chainlink, real AsterDEX. The script will deploy, seed the oracle, deposit 100 WBNB, and open the dashboard. Let's walk through the dashboard. Market state. The oracle classified the market as calm, with 1,500 BPS volatility. This drives everything. Allocation. Based on calm, the engine chose 55% AsterDEX Earn, 30% PancakeSwap V3 LP, 5% hedge, and 10% compound. Kelly criterion math is applied. Circuit breaker, active and watching, 0 admin override. Portfolio, 90 WBNB deployed across 3 venues, 49.5 in AsterDEX Earn, 27 in PancakeSwap V3, and 13.5 in Hedge, all visible, all on-chain. Performance, annualized yield, on-chain Sharpe ratio, and drawdown, computed entirely in Solidity. Bounty, a Dutch auction mechanism. The execution bounty escalates from 0.1% to 2% over 1 hour. This incentivizes timely permissionless execution. Vault, ERC-4626 compliant. Standard interface. Any wallet works. In the Simulation Controls panel, I'm clicking Moderate. Volatility just spiked to 3,500 BPS. Watch what happens. Clicking Execute Cycle now. The engine reallocated, LP exposure dropped, hedge increased, 0 human intervention. It reads the oracle and adapts. Allocation bars shift, and the event log records the cycle. Clicking Extreme now. 16,000 BPS past the 15,000 threshold. Execute cycle again. Circuit breaker triggered. All positions unwound automatically. Funds are safe. No admin pressed an emergency button. The breaker panel turns red. The allocation shows maximum hedge. Volatility dropped back to calm. Advancing time by 1 hour to pass the cooldown. Execute cycle again. The system recovers on its own. Breaker resets to active. Capital redeploys to yield. Allocations shift back to yield seeking. Full life cycle, deploy, adapt, protect, recover. 4,098 lines of Solidity. 164 passing tests, including a 16Z ERC-4626 conformance. Deployed to BSC mainnet. 0 admin keys, 0 human decisions. RIQD, because yield should drive itself.